taking our daily walks. Right, Bubs?
Mommy.
I have a son that always wants to go outside.
Mommy.
Yes, Bubs. Do you see your face? Say hi.
Hi.
He just loves to walk outside, so we're outside.
Mommy.
Yes, Bubs.
Yeah.
And
Mommy.
it was actually raining earlier.
Mommy. Let's go. Come on. Let's go back.
He's a trip. Do you like outside, Bubs? You can just sit outside for the whole day.
Cheese.
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 Snack time with this kid before nap time, right?
Snack before nap time.
Yeah, snack before nap time.
All day now. No more.
Go ahead, get some more. And while we do that, I need to read him a book. What's this book about?
A taco.
Dragons love tacos.
Yeah, taco.
Yeah, dragons love tacos.
Hey, Romey's tacos.
Now it's time for bed, right?
I take away.
Our usual routine: snack time, reading, and nap time. So that is what we are doing. He has a sleep sack. He still loves his sleep sack.
Mommy.
Like, if he doesn't have it, he knows something's wrong. So, okay, Bubbies. See you later, Bubs. Alright, so I am gonna work out. I started working back out on Monday, this past Monday, and so after I clean this monstery of a mess, I am going to work out. Just a little bit of strength for like 20 minutes, I think I'll do. Chicken to go with my lunch today. Broccoli. Good morning. Today is Thursday, and me and Romey are heading to the library for story time. We usually go on Thursdays. In the past 3 weeks of May, they've been, they've been closed, or no story times, because I guess spring break or something, I don't know. But we're heading there in about 15 minutes, and then after that I'm gonna hit up Starbucks because I still got a gift card for that. So yeah, just a short little story time and Starbucks today. And this is what I'm currently wearing for story time today. Nothing spectacular, actually not these slippers, but yeah, look of the day. Okay, this is what I usually pack for Roman. Extra pair of undies, a shirt, and some shorts. I usually put it in here. This little Sense and Grow card game, flashcards, sensory cards. It has like animals and you can feel it and stuff. I usually bring that just in case. His animal book, which he loves sometimes. And then something he can play with and write with. I got this off of Amazon, but sometimes he wants to scribble and dabble and stuff while we're out. So I bring that with us. His snacks, raisins, which he's obsessed with right now. What else? Aldi be coming through with the pouches, and yes, he's 2.5 years old and he still likes pouches. Nice little snack, right, Bubs? And some pretzels. I think I'm gonna bring. I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring anything else. And obviously his water. And of course he didn't eat all his breakfast, but that's what I usually bring in his bag. This is what we usually do at the library after story time. So, this Starbucks line is very long. Anybody try the brown sugar iced coffee? The brown sugar oat milk?
Okay, so it was an iced chai, you said?
The brown sugar oat milk.
Oh, with the shaken espresso?
Yes, the shaken, the ice, yeah.
Sorry,
That is it. And I'll just get the tall if you guys have that option, yeah. That's it. Reduce or eliminate. I rarely go to Starbucks, but I have a gift card, so it's like, let me go ahead and use this gift card. Use it all up. Today is, I know, today is Friday at my parents' house. Roman did not want to come out with me. Maybe because he's in an unfamiliar place, I don't know. But he knows me, Mom Peepa, so anyway, walking, and it's not bad right now as far as heat, because you know Florida. So today is Friday, and we'll be here till tomorrow. Hang out with my sister. We'll head into the beach to hang out, and Roman gets to see his cousins. And I'm new kind of to this vlogging life. I probably won't vlog as much, but I want to do hauls, fashion hauls, and I want to get back in this YouTube game, because I have worked in the fashion industry. I used to style, or I used to be a wardrobe stylist. I owned my own company, so now I'm just a stay-at-home mom who still is a lover of style. But yeah, I want to get on the vlogging. Just got my website, like the domain actually up, and I plan on posting a lot on there as well. So those of you guys that don't know me, I lived in New York for 5 years. I got married in 2021, met my husband, and moved back to Florida, and had a baby almost 3 years ago, which would be in August. I can't believe that he's turning 3. But yeah, so now it's just my life being at home with my son, and doing that life, which I love, and taking care of the home, but still being a lover of fashion and style and lifestyle stuff. I decided to dive in again. But yeah, just a little bit of me. I'm new to really YouTube. I mean, I had a YouTube page, but I never really done anything to it. Done some shorts, but yeah, so. And in case of you guys are trying to wonder how to pronounce my name, it is Barani. So yeah, anyway, I'll chat with you guys later. Also, check out my dupes from Burlington. Actually, I got these for like $13, and they look like the designer Alaya flats, mesh ballet flats. I'll link these in the description box for you guys if you want to grab you a pair. I'll also link something similar, but these are actually from Madden Girl. It's so pretty out here. He doesn't want to get in the water with us. My husband is, but yeah, so we're in Fort Pierce on the East Coast. sunny and